Do you want to become a confident English speaker? In this video, I am going to share with you one powerful technique that can make you speak English without fear and hesitation. My name is Arvind and I am here to help you learn faster. If you are interested in learning how to learn, then consider subscribing this channel and click the bell notification. First, find someone who is very good at speaking English. You can easily find out by doing some research on YouTube or any other social media platforms. Select a few personalities. Now carefully pay attention to their speaking style, body language, voice modulation, pronunciation, and everything related to how they speak English. Carefully finalize and choose one personality. Next, you need to start playing his or her videos. Once he finishes a sentence, pause the video and say the same sentence aloud. Repeat the sentence 3 times aloud. Then repeat the same process with the next sentence. Do this practice every day at least for an hour. Soon you will be able to speak English faster. Why this method is powerful? Every time when you hear the speaker, your listening skill improves. When you repeat the sentences, your pronunciation skill gets a boost. Slowly, the sentence structure sinks into your mind. If you do this daily, your confidence level will skyrocket and you will be able to speak English clearly. Try this method and see. Definitely, you can speak English faster than you think. If you think this video is helpful, then comment, like, share with your friends and consider subscribing this channel. See you next week with my another video.